my libertarian viewers might want to stay away from this one, because today's underrated grocery is highly government subsidized. That's right, it's corn oil. Corn oil is, as far as I know, probably the cheapest substance on earth. This entire bottle of corn oil costs, I think it's $8.50 at my local grocery store, and Tops is actually the more expensive of the two grocery stores. So you know this stuff is pretty damn cheap. It's basically a cheap alternative to olive oil. The nutrition facts are almost identical. This is just a great product. I'll put my hand in here just so you can put my face in here just so you can see how big this thing is. This is an insane amount of oil. If you live alone like I do, this will last you probably 1,000 years of cooking. It's anytime you need a fat to cook your food in, corn oil is perfectly fine. It might not have that rich Italian flavor that olive oil has, but it'll do the job. It'll keep stuff from sticking to the pan. It's got a nice neutral taste. Sometimes you don't always want that olive flavor with what you're eating. Now, if you're having a romantic picnic with a beautiful woman on the coast of the Mediterranean, drinking some Chardonnay, having some Italian bread, you might want to invest in some of the good stuff, some olive oil. But for the most part, corn oil is going to get the job done for all your cooking needs. I think the bottle is really cool. Got this, it's like a giant piece of corn. I mean, it really sticks out in your pantry. The handle is really great. Really, as you can see, it's really easy to pick up. I don't know if this would be good as a laundry detergent, but it would certainly be easy to pour. So definitely a possibility. Also, for people who are having trouble with acne, this is just take a little bit of corn oil and rub it on your face. Maybe leave it on overnight. That should do the trick. It'll give you acne real fast. So one of the downsides to this product, I would say, is you can see I got a paper towel under here because no pun intended, but this stuff's pretty oily. So that's just one of the drawbacks. Other than that, I don't know, man. There's not too much more to say. I think it's about 5 times as cheap as olive oil. I personally didn't know about this for a long time. I thought the only kind of oil you could cook with was olive, and that's just kind of silly. Shout outs to my housemate Gallo for turning me on to corn oil. Me and Gallo don't really see eye to eye, but the guy's got great taste in cooking fats. So that's pretty awesome. Glad I knew about this. Next time you're shopping around, you need some cooking oil for your kitchen, maybe give corn oil a try. It's some pretty good stuff. Have a good night, folks.